All things considered, Nissan on Tuesday at last affirmed that the Ariya will land in display areas the following fall as a 2023 model. Indeed, there's one more year of pausing. Nissan likewise declared that the booking system is currently open, however intrigued purchasers ought to get ready for some sticker shock. Nissan initially intended to offer the Ariya with a beginning cost of around $40,000, however the base grade really begins at $47,125, including a $1,175 objective charge. The base grade, known as the Ariya Venture Plus, accompanies a 87 kWh battery and a solitary electric engine turning the front wheels. Top result is 238 horsepower and the assessed range is 300 miles. On the off chance that you need all-wheel drive, you'll have to jump on the reach-besting Ariya Platinum Plus grade, what begins at $60,125, including objective. With this grade you get the equivalent 87 kWh battery, yet a double-engine all-wheel drive framework producing a pinnacle 389 horsepower and 442 pounds-foot of force, in addition to force vectoring. Range in this grade is assessed at 265 miles. There are two extra grades in the middle, Evolve Plus and Premier, the two of which include the equivalent powertrain as the base Venture Plus grade. Nissan may in any case have the option to convey the Ariya with a $40,000 beginning cost sometime in the not-too-distant future, as the vehicle has a more modest 63 kWh battery choice in different business sectors. Notwithstanding, Nissan is yet to affirm this choice available to be purchased in the US. The Ariya is intended to target vehicles like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Tesla Model Y and Volkswagen ID.4. It's comparative in size to those models, highlighting a 182.9-inch by and large length and 109.3-inch wheelbase. There are just 2 columns in the lodge, with sufficient room for 5 grown-ups.